Opening scene company logo and tagline. Welcome to FleetRabbit, revolutionizing truck and chassis fleet management. Why choose FleetRabbit? Let's dive into what makes us the best in the business. First, FleetRabbit is tailored for truck management. We specialize in managing truck and chassis fleets, offering features designed for seamless and efficient operations. From real-time monitoring to advanced analytics, our platform is built to handle the unique demands of your fleet. Next, we focus on optimized efficiency and precision. FleetRabbit ensures your fleet runs smoothly with precise monitoring and maintenance scheduling. Receive timely maintenance alerts and detailed reports, keeping your fleet in peak condition and minimizing downtime. Lastly, we offer customizable solutions for varied needs. FleetRabbit adapts to your specific requirements, allowing you to customize features and workflows. Whether you manage a small fleet or a large operation, our platform empowers you to tailor the system to fit your unique processes. Experience the power of a solution that's as flexible as it is powerful. With FleetRabbit, you're always in control. Closing scene company logo, website, URL, and call to action. Choose FleetRabbit for superior truck and chassis fleet management. Visit FleetRabbit.com today to learn more and get started. FleetRabbit, driving efficiency, precision, and customization.